Assalamu alaikum guys, hope so all of you fine. I am very thankful to all of you for watching my video and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, this time I will give you video about 10 amazing rooftop kitchen gardening ideas. This is the best method of kitchen gardening at home. Kindly utilize this opportunity if you want to make your life healthy. If you want to save your lives, if you want to save your money, if you want to reduce your expenses. So, for this purpose, grow vegetables at your home. When you have not enough area for kitchen gardening, then use your rooftops for growing of vegetables and fruits and make your lifestyle healthy and better. So, guys, avail this opportunity. I think we all should start a garden and trade food because grocery store prices are getting ridiculous. So, guys, use this method and gain a lot of benefits. Imagine you are work and for your lunch break you decide to leave the office, and when you sit in the garden you feel happy and fresh. So, guys, I suggest use your rooftops and grow fresh vegetables, organic vegetables at your home. Please watch my video, subscribe my channel, share and like. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.